going to show you today how you can use bubble wrap to work out frustrations and anger. We all go through things in our life that we can't control, but we can control our heart. And sometimes we need something to pop to get our frustrations out. So, I want you to take bubble wrap and think about the thing, maybe one thing at a time, that upsets you. And put all that energy and thought into that bubble. Really think about it, focus on it, and when you're ready, you're going to pop it out. And then you can think of another thing that really bothers you or upsets you. Concentrate, focus, and pop it away. Here's our finished piece. It's an abstract. It's pretty. You can add words of hope now if you'd like. Or you can add pictures from a magazine that flowers make you happy. Or you can just leave it like this. There is truth to those sayings seen red. Red stands for passion and love, but it does actually raise our blood pressure. And it can stand for rage. Blue, saying feeling blue. Too much blue can give us a depressing feeling, and it also stands for coldness and soothing and truth. It does lower your blood pressure. So experiment with colors and how they make you feel.